It's just exact notes. Music rocks. Yeah.
Well, hello and welcome to In the Hall of the Mountain King. It's going to get a little crazy up in here because I've got some effects turned on my guitar. And if you haven't played around with the different sound effects you've got on your amp, play around with them. It can get a little crazy. Mine is fancier. It's a Mustang 2. It has, it's a computerized amp. So instead of using the traditional physical mechanisms they had to use back in the day, like different types of magnetism and stuff to change the way the vibrations were processed, they can use computers to just artificially synthesize all sorts of different sounds and variations. And mine currently sounds like this. Hear that kind of echo in the background? Ooh, it's cool. Okay, we're going to start with measure 1. We're going to do line 1 today. It's nothing too crazy, but let's give it a try. Line 1, ready? Starting on the open G string, put a second finger on G. And that's going to sound like that. We got our 2. Then we're on our, I'm going to pull my camera back here. Then, I'm going to tip this down a little bit too. Here we go. Then we're going to go down to the B string. Just a 0, then B1, then B3. So measure 1 is like this. Dun, 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 dun. Isn't that cool? I love this one. Then measure 2 is open E, and then 1 on B, and then back to open E. That sounds pretty good to me. Then measure 3 is just 4, 0, 4. And then measure 4 is a little trickier here. We're going to have, I think my light is too hot. Hold on a second here. So many interruptions. Okay, measure 4, we're going to have 3. But then we're also going to have a 3 on the G string, like this. And then a 3 back on the B string. Now, if you do that and you just hop your finger from one to the next, see how it kind of mutes the sound there a little bit? We don't want to stop the sound right in the middle, so instead I want you to do this. We're going to put the 3 right on the B string, and then I want you to take your second finger, the middle finger right there, and put it behind fret 3 on the G string. So they are both pressed down. And then the sounds overlap with each other, and I just have to move my thumb from one to the next, like that. And that's all of line 1. So let's try it from the beginning here. Nice and slow together. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 0, 1, 3, 0, 1, 0. Then on the B string, 4, 0, 4. Then 3, 2, 3. And that's all. That's a pretty good start to the song. That's the main theme. Now if you got that and you want to try it a little faster, here's how it would sound. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And if you've got that and you want to go even faster, this is one of those songs where in the original version it starts off kind of slow and quiet and spooky, and then it gets faster and faster and louder and stronger and even more instruments playing until it's just this very loud, very fast thing. So practicing getting each of these lines fast would be great practice. Here's a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that all might be a little bit much to do just in one lesson, so don't worry if it's not fast, but do worry if you can't get through the line. If you can get through the line, then you're pretty good. That's all we're going to do for right now. 2 thumbs up, round of applause. Good job.
How's that? Pretty good? Is that a rep? Everybody! Great job. That's a rep. Nice work. Real solid.